in 80s, we had only three beauties who defined glamour and beauty in the big screen, and they were Sridevi ji, Rekha and Madhuri Dixit. So this is my little tribute to the superstar that stole hearts across India from Tamil, Malayalam, Telugu and finally the Hindi film industry. I can't believe that I'm paying a tribute to this gorgeous lady whom we just lost 2 days back. Sridevi personified talent and glamour, and all I wanted is to show a little love and respect to this brilliant actress in my own way. Now, being a YouTuber and a makeup artist, if I don't show my tribute to this beautiful lady who has showed us so many makeup techniques, I don't think I'll be doing any justice to my channel. Those fluttery lashes, those hazel lenses, those bright, bold, glossy, metallic lipsticks that she introduced to Hindi cinema. Today in this video, I'm going to try and decode a little bit of all those. So if you like to see how to get that, please keep on watching. So firstly, I'll be starting off by moisturizing my face with the Clinique Moisture Surge. So starting off with the base, today I'll be using my L'Oreal Paris Matte Magique 12 Hours Bright Matte Foundation. Along with that, I'll be using my Avon Nutra FX Miracle Glow Lightweight Facial Oil. Now this facial oil will give a nice base. It will act as a primer to the base that I'll be applying. So I'll just mix both the products and I'll be blending it all out with my damp beauty sponge. Now you guys can use any base, any foundation that you like, and if you watch Sridevi's face, they're always so skin-like, so natural. I'm sure they'll be having heavy coverage foundation because it's a big screen, but it always looked very natural. Now I'm applying Elegirl Pro Concealer here under my eyes and the bridge of my nose, a little bit in the corner of my mouth and a little bit on the forehead. Then again I'll be blending it all with my damp beauty sponge. Now to set my makeup in place, today I'll be using my Miss Claire Banana Powder in the shade TL04. Now with this I'll set my base makeup before I start off with my eyes. Now if you have watched most of her films, she'll always put that soft brown smoky eyes and with that coppery shimmer that always used to go on in her eyes. So today for the eyes, I'll be using my Makeup Revolution Fortune Favors the Brave palette, and from that I'll be taking this soft peachy shade and I'm going to use that as my transition shade. So I'll be buffing that out into my crease. The soft peachy shade from the Fortune Favors the Brave palette. Then next, to intensify that crease a little bit, I'll be using this soft brown eyeshadow from the same palette. And after intensifying the crease, I'll just apply the rest of it all over my eyelid. Now next I'm gonna take this darker brown shade called Caffeine Fix from the same palette, and I'm going to deposit mostly in the outer corner of my eyes and then just drag it into my crease. Now Sridevi ji always liked her smoky eyes, and that's what I'm trying to do out here. Then taking a clean blending brush, I'll blend everything well. Now going with this Golden Coin shimmery shade, it's a shimmery copper shade from the same palette. I'll be applying that right from the inner corner of my eyes towards the center with my finger. So back in the 80s, those actresses, they always played with bright, bold colors, lots of shimmers and glitters and bold lips. Now next, I'm taking this black shade called Blackwa from the same eyeshadow palette, and with a pencil brush, I'll be applying that right in the corner, outer corner of my eyes. And then with a blending brush, I'll blend that shade well along with the other eyeshadows that I've applied. And if you recollect the glamorous songs that she had, like those Hawa Hawaii and Mr.India and all the glamorous songs that she had, she went all out with that black smoky eyes with lots of glitters and shimmers. Now to make that shimmer pop a little bit, I'll be just wetting my brush with the MAC Fix Plus and again going with that golden coin shimmer shade, coppery shimmer shade, and I'll be just patting it just right in the center. Now to highlight my brow bone, I'll be taking this soft glimmer shade, and the shade name is also Glimmer. Now if you see Sridevi's eyes, she never had those thick winged eyeliner. She always defined her eyes, the upper lashes, with a kohl pencil, and then she applied lots of mascara and false eyelashes. And if you notice, she always had that nude eyeliner in the lower lash line, nude eye pencil, which made her eyes look bright and pretty. Now coming over to the lower lash line, I'll be using that same Caffeine Fix darker brown eyeshadow, and I'll be applying that. I'll smudge that nude eye pencil with a pencil brush from PAC with this Caffeine Fix eyeshadow. Now after all that smoky glam with the eyes, it's time to curl the lashes, and here I'm curling my lashes, and I'll be applying some generous coats of mascara, and then I'll be going with the falsies because Sridevi always had those fluttering eyelashes. She applied false eyelashes both on the upper as well as on her lower lashes. She applied those individual lashes which made her eyes look so big, fluttery and Barbie-like. So here I'm going quite generous with my mascara on both my upper and lower lashes, and then I'm done with the falsies off camera. Now it's time to go with the rest of the face, and here I'm taking a blush, and this is a blush from Essence, and I'll be listing down all the products that I've used here in the description box so you can go and check them out. And if you have noticed Sridevi's face, she always had that heavy flush of color on her cheeks, right from the center of the cheeks going towards the temple. Then coming over to the lips, here I'm lining my lips with a red lip liner. And this was actually the most interesting part of Sridevi's makeup, her lip shades. She always loved her bright, bold lips. She loved using orange, red, pinks, purple, and she always ended up using lots and lots of glosses which made her lipsticks look so metallic. And today here I'm using my Avon lip shade from the matte range, and the shade name is Garnet. And now comes the gloss part, and here I'm using a shimmery gloss from Avon. And the technique that she used was to apply the gloss right in the center, which always gave an illusion of a bigger, plumper lips. Now to set my face, here I'm using my Color Bar makeup fixer. It will mattify my face and it will help my makeup stay for a longer period of time. And as you have noticed, I haven't applied any highlighter because back in the 80s they did not apply much of highlighter and contour like how they do right now, because they always sported those round, beautiful, youthful faces that we can imagine. We know how Sridevi look like. This completes the makeup look, guys. This was my way of paying a very small tribute to the legend whom I always idolized from my childhood days on the big screen. So I tried to decode this makeup look which most of the time she sported on most of her films. So even now whenever I close my eyes, this beautiful face of Sridevi ji with those hazel eyes, this smoky eyes, this bright, bold, metallic lips always comes in front of my mind even till now. So you'll be immensely missed, ma'am, and I hope your soul rest in peace. And I hope you found this video interesting, and if you did so, please hit the like button and do subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. I'll be back soon with lots more interesting videos on fashion, beauty and lifestyle. So till then, all of you stay happy, stay fit, stay loved, stay stress free. Bye bye.